Welcome back to this channel where we discuss the ins and outs of investing and trading. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common question that many investors grapple with. Is buying at all-time highs a bad idea? We'll explore the pros and cons of this thing and provide you with a well-rounded perspective. So let's dive right in. Before we delve into whether buying at all-time highs a bad idea, let's first understand what it means. When we say an asset is trading at an all-time high, it means that its price has reached the highest level it has ever been. This can be an exciting and challenging situation for investors. One of the main reasons why buying at all-time highs is perceived as a bad idea is the fear of a potential market correction or price reversal. Investors worry that by entering a position at the peak, they may experience a significant decline in the value of their investment. This fear is rooted in the desire to buy low and sell high. However, it's essential to consider that buying at all-time highs can also indicate strong momentum and positive market sentiment. When an asset is trading at all-time high, it often suggests that there is significant demand and positive market forces driving the price upwards. Buying at all-time highs can allow investors to ride the wave of momentum and potentially profit from further upside. Another important factor to consider when evaluating buying at all-time highs is taking a long-term perspective. In the grand scheme of things, the price at which you enter a position may not matter as much if you have a long-term investment horizon. Over time, the market has historically shown an upward trajectory, and buying at all-time highs may prove to be profitable strategy when considering long-term gains. If you can do assessing the underlying fundamentals of the asset such as its financial health, growth prospects, and competitive advantage can help determine if the current price is justified. If the fundamentals are strong, buying at all-time highs may align with a positive long-term investment thesis. Proper risk management and position sizing are crucial when buying at all-time highs. Investors should ensure that they allocate an appropriate portion of their portfolio to any single investment. Additionally, setting stop loss orders can help limit potential losses if the market does experience a significant correction. In conclusion, buying at all-time highs can be both good and bad, depending on various factors. It's essential to consider the momentum and strength behind the asset's price, take a long-term perspective, and implement risk management strategies. Buying at all-time highs can provide opportunities for investors to ride the wave of positive market sentiment and benefit from further upside potential.